Hey there, welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about Find and Replace, a tool that will help you quickly and easily search for text or data within a document and replace it with just a single click. There are many occasions where Find and Replace is the correct tool for the job. Take this document here where I have simply listed out, "Hi, my name is," several times. Now, this could be a list of name tags or badges or envelope, labels, anything. Let's say I want to change just the word name to something else. Let's say we don't care what our names are specifically and we're using titles or even more fun, superpowers. So I want to change all the names to superpowers. Now, one option would be to simply go to each place I find the word name and replace it by backspacing or using delete and retyping. But a much quicker way would be to use the tool Find and Replace. Now, as an added bonus, many software applications that support Find and Replace will autofill the first field if you select the thing you want to replace first. So here's what this looks like. We want to change name. So I'm going to highlight it with my mouse. Now I'm going to press Control H on my keyboard. This is going to bring up the Find and Replace window. And as you can see, it's already filled in what I want to look for, and it's got name here in the text box. Now if I didn't select anything and I hit Control H, it would simply be empty and I would type in whatever it is I want to search for. But in this case, since I already knew it ahead of time, I could select it and then press Control H and it autofills it for me. So now I just need to tell it what I want to replace that with. In this case, I'm going to say superpower. Once I've typed it in, I am going to say replace all. However, if I wanted to do this one at a time, I could just use the button here to the left that says replace, and it will go to each instance in which it finds the original search phrase and replace it one at a time. This is good if maybe I only want to do this to half the document. I can just tap it a few times, work my way through, and then stop, and then have some of each. This is a pretty flexible tool for what it is, so you're just going to have to find what works best in your given situation. If we started this process halfway through the document or anything after the first line, it will ask us if we want to go back and begin searching at the beginning of the document. If you're trying to replace everything, say you've got a template that you've used and it's got someone else's name in it and you need to replace it with yours. This could be true for maybe a vacation request or an expense form or something where most of the data is the same as far as the initial form goes, but you need to replace it with your information. You would be able to simply search for, say, the last person's name and then put your name in, search the whole document, and let it go back through at the beginning just to make sure that you didn't miss anything anywhere else, since you are intending to make the entire document yours. And that's all there is to it. So you can use Find and Replace with the hotkey Control H to very quickly and easily find text or other strings of data within a document and replace it with something else. So I hope this has been helpful. Go enjoy your technology.